I got up at 5:30 this morning for a morning run. As you can see, I'm already glistening from the humidity here in Alabama. It's nice and cool, but it's also very humid. I am going to be heading to Atlanta this morning, which is about a 3-mile trek, to see Schoolgirl Style. She is going to be in Kennesaw at the school box, and we are so excited to meet her and to get to see her cool product line. And then we are headed to IKEA for our annual back to school shopping. We're getting ready to head out on our way to Atlanta. I finally got my 9-year-old packed and in the car. We were supposed to leave at 7:30. It's 8:10. But of course he had to have his stuffed animals and his blankets and his phone and his iPad and his gaming system, so he has plenty to do for the 3-hour drive to see Schoolgirl Style. So here we are, we're off. Road trip! So the first part of my adventure started with my looking down at my shirt after having eaten my delicious breakfast of toast slathered with butter, because I am a southern girl, to find that a piece of butter slid off my toast. So I pulled over at a truck stop and used a Tide pen, and let's hope that it doesn't leave a big ring afterwards. Just met Melanie of Schoolgirl Style, who is as sweet in person as she is on her blogs and on her social media accounts. I can't wait to get the products into my classroom so I can see them in their original space. The guys at the school box in Marietta are so sweet. They found out that I had driven all the way from Columbus, Georgia to their store in Marietta, which is about 3 hours for me, and they gave me a mug with Schoolgirl Style and a matching t-shirt. How sweet! Y'all, seriously, come check out the school box if you're up this way. How cute are these for flexible seating options? And there's a space where the kids can put their electronics and still have room to write. I love these carpets for the classroom. They come in some really pretty colors, really soft gray, tan, this really bright pink, but my favorite is this green. IKEA has some really pretty carpets for the classroom, pretty reasonably priced. These are about $200 for the yellow and the really pretty Moroccan pattern here of the gray. And then there's a red and white stripe, that's nice. And then this one is $149. Look at that, it is really pretty. One other really cool find for $1.99 are these placemats. They are vinyl, so they wipe right off with a Clorox wipe, and they clean very well with just soap or water. You can cut them down, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to trim them a little bit so that they fit on the table. I can also put them on an IKEA table as a centerpiece. Brings a little color to the table. Here's another great product. Look at this picture frame. I can only imagine the uses for this: stations, rotations, centers, motivational posters. Well, we just finished up at IKEA. We were in there about 2 hours. Bought a few things for home, some things for school. We're tired, but we had a blast. IKEA is always tons of fun. My next trip before heading back home is, of course, Five Below. Sure wish we had one in my town. These are dog beds at Five Below, but they would make precious pillows for your kids. Isn't that donut the cutest thing you've ever seen? They have these adorable rainbow pillows, mermaid pillows, and these cute little tassel pillows. Very nice. Mini emoji erasers. Smiley face emoji erasers. And of course, poop erasers. Cute floral arrangements, $4 each. It's been a long day and we're headed home. My little guy is sound asleep in the back.